When you first log into CourseArc, you will see the dashboard view. CourseArc has project management features built directly into our platform. Tasks can be used to manage course development, get organized, and stay on track with important deadlines. The To-Do area of the dashboard shows the most recent tasks that have been assigned to you. Click on View More to see a list of all of your outstanding tasks. If you are a course administrator or a course leader, you will not only see your tasks, but also any uncompleted tasks in courses that you are managing. You can click on any task link to go directly to the course page with that task. Tasks are going to appear on the right side of the page in the To-Do pane. Check the box to indicate a task has been completed. To add a task, click the Add a To-Do link in the To-Dos panel. Describe the task. Select a name from the Assign To drop-down menu, and then click the Add button. You can even assign a task to yourself. After the to-do is added, the assignee will receive an email notification for the assigned task. The link in the email will take you directly to the page with the assigned task. And the to-do panel will show the pending task with your name. You can edit a task by clicking the pencil icon, making changes, and clicking the Update button. Only course leaders or editors assigned to the course can assign the to-dos. Be sure to add no reply at notifications.coursearc.com as a contact in your email client to ensure that you receive all CourseArc notification emails.